Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to calculate the speed using the speed, distance and time triangle. So hopefully this will be helpful to you. My question is to work out the average speed of each of the following. So I need to know how fast an individual is going if they travel 15 miles in 3 hours. Now, in this problem, we're trying to calculate the speed. So what I would normally do is I would cover it over with my finger so that I can see which we have left. So in this instant, I'm going to cross out the speed to see what we are left with. So as you can see, we're left with distance and time. Now, we know our distance is 15 miles and we know our time is 3 hours. Now, on our triangle, you can see that distance is above time. Now, we normally use, when they're on top of one another, we take that to mean a division sign. So, to find the speed, we need to do the distance divided by the time. So, my distance is 15 miles divided by 3. We all know that 15 divided by 3 is 5. And because we're travelling in miles, we would assume that they're travelling 5 miles per hour. So my answer to this question here is 5 miles per hour. Okay? Let's do another question. This one is slightly different. Let's go for 1C. So we've got our triangle, and again we are looking for speed, so we've got that crossed out. We're left with the distance and time. Distance is over time, so we do distance divided by the time. So for question C, we travel 120 miles in 4 hours. So how fast was I travelling? So my distance here is 120 miles and our time is 4 hours. So 120 divided by 4 is 30. Because we're travelling in miles, it is miles per hour. Now, with these sorts of questions, we can get different types of measurement. So sometimes we might travel in kilometres per hour, which we would write as this. Or we might travel in meters per second. Okay? So for question 1D on exercise 14A, it asks how fast they were going if they travel 300 metres in 10 seconds. You do the exact same thing, but you would record it as meters per second. Okay, good luck, and on you go.